Hello, friends. Are you excited to listen a story which can heal you, which can heal your mind, which can heal your problems? Yes, today I'm going to tell you one story which is related to healing of mind. There was a one Pip and other was Willow. Who was Pip? Pip was like a river and Willow was a uh, tree. So Pip was always wandering here and there. He was running for the future. Okay. So as he was never stopping. So Pip was like that only. He was thinking of the future, not thinking about the present moment. So he was always worried. One day, Pip passing nearby tree, Willow silently told him that you should not run after the future. Future will automatically become better if you are in present. You are thinking about the present moment. If you are fully enjoying the present moment. So Willow asked him to enjoy the present moment, enjoy the sun, enjoy the breeze of my leaves. So Pip understood. Pip silently sit under the tree by closing his eyes, and he was enjoying the warmth of the sun and breeze of the tree, breeze of the leaves, sound of the leaves of the tree, and breeze of the air. So he was enjoying the things at that moment. So when he enjoyed that moment, he felt that he is very happy. He is very calm now. His mind is not wondering about the future, and he can give best to his life. So after that, he started. He started giving the time to the present moment. Whatever he does, he was doing with full energy. He was giving his 100% to his present moment. After that, he was very happy. He has achieved his goal. He was not worried. He was not in tension. He has and started to learn the present moment. So what is why I am sharing this story, why I am telling this story? Because most of us are always running after our future. We are not enjoying the present moment. We are always running with what happened in the past. We are always thinking about the past. If we have done some mistakes in the past, we are always thinking about those mistakes. We are not learning from the mistakes. We are thinking about why it has happened, why the person has told me something. So main motive is this: we should enjoy the present moment, not to think about the future, not to think about the past. Just enjoy the present moment. If you will start enjoying the present moment, what will happen? You will enjoy the future too, because you will be happy. If you are happy, things will come easily to you. Okay, so start enjoying the present moment. Even I have seen the students, they are sitting in the class, but they are not sitting fully in the class or in the session. What they are doing, they are always thinking about the past or future, or they are doing the mischievous things with the other students. Okay, they are not listening to the teacher properly. So if they will start listening to the teachers properly, they will score good marks in their exams also, and they will achieve their goals in their life. So my dear students, my dear friends, try to stay in a present moment and enjoy the present moment. If you have learned something from this video, please like, share, and subscribe this channel. Thank you for enjoying this moment.